Clouds gather in the sky, wind blows gently drifting by. Raindrops tap the window frame, lightning flashes bright as flame. Puppy trots to see the sound, kitty follows looking around. Thunder growls, the night turns gray, both run fast toward the hay. Baby wakes with sudden fright, glowing flashes fill the night. He looks around, the room feels wide. Where's my puppy, where's my pride? Baby grabs his coat so bright, yellow raincoat fits just right. Lantern shining warm and true, out he steps through rain and dew. Puppy, kitty, baby calls, rain keeps pounding farmyard walls. Footprints fade beneath the storm, still he walks through cold and warm. They're all here and fenced down there, baby checks them everywhere. Stormy winds, a watery veil, baby steps are small but brave. Then a tiny whine so near, soft but strong enough to hear. Baby runs toward the hay, puppy hides and shakes away. Baby smiles and kneels down low, says it's okay, come on let's go. Puppy wags a trembling tail, sheltered from the rain and hail. From behind the hay they hear kitties meow so loud and clear. Kitty peeks with soaking fur, baby calls and reaches for her. Wrapped in arms and held up high, baby lifts them with a sigh. Both now safe from stormy cries, warmth returns to cloudy skies. Through the rain they walk back slow, lantern casting gentle glow. Farmhouse light shines soft and warm, guiding them through fading storm.